3.5, 4 months of seeing people who come to the cathedral, making the peace doves, and that engagement's just been fantastic. So then see it transformed from lots of people writing on doves to this installation hanging in the nave in the cathedral. It was amazing just to see it when it was unveiled.
The cathedral is a place of peace and serenity and hope. In a world where peace is quite hard to find sometimes, I think the message is more powerful than the artwork itself.
It really impacted me, not just because it's visually really attractive, but because of each dove representing a prayer or a message or a hope for peace in our world. And so it's not just like one installation, it's 15,000 different prayers and hopes for peace.
It's a whole community that have come together to create peace doves, and what that does is it describes what peace means to them and what inspired them to write a peace dove, which I think it's a great story to tell.
We welcome hundreds of thousands visitors all over the year from our local community and much further afield. And what this art installation does that's absolutely brilliant is capture some of their stories, some of their prayers, some of what they've encountered of God as they've spent time in Durham Cathedral.